Living in the digital world, a website is now a necessity for a business, big or small. If you have a business and don't have a website, you are probably losing a number of great opportunities for your business. A website itself can be used to accomplish many different marketing strategies to help your business grow. The web has a far wider reach than any other form of advertising. While it takes time to build up enough traffic to your website to make a worthwhile impact on your company's marketing campaign, it costs next to nothing to do so. Your website will be the center of your company's online presence. Through it, you're advertising your business around the web on social networking sites, forums, and through pay-per-clicking advertising programs. In this video, I am going to explain how you can create a website using Wix.com. To get started, head into Wix.com and follow along. Once you get to Wix.com, click the Get Started button to enter the site. Once you hit that button, you will have the option to log in with credentials or to hit the Sign Up button. If you have an account, you can sign in. If not, pause the video and create an account. Once you are in Wix.com with your login, you're going to want to hit the My Sites button located at the top right-hand corner of the page. When you hit that, you should be directed to a page that looks like this. From here, you will either notice a blank page if you have never used Wix.com, or if you have used Wix.com, you will see some of your previous sites that you have created on this page. To create a new website, we can click the Create New Site in the top right corner. This will take us to a page that gives us a list of options. Wix provides users with the ability to create websites from existing templates. The user can choose from these categories that will provide a variety of templates for each. I will choose the business template category for this video. From here, you should be directed to a page that looks something like this. You want to click the Choose a Template button. On this next page, we can see a variety of templates. You can look through and choose any template that is free. If you hover your mouse over the template, you have two options. The first is you can view the website to make sure it is the template you are looking for. Or you can go in and edit the website by clicking the Edit button. For this video, I'm going to use the first template and click the Edit button. For this video, I'm going to teach you how to do different skills to help you edit your website in Wix. The first skill that I want to teach you is how to delete content from the page. We notice here that we have a Coming Soon sign on the front of our page. I don't want this for my business's website. So what I will do is I will click on any content that I do not want. You'll notice a round rectangle around anything that you have selected. From here I can just click Delete, and I can remove anything on the website that I do not wish to have on there. Another skill that will be important for you to know is how to change the background. Currently we have a city background theme going on right now on our website. I want to change that to fit my business's website. To do this, I can go over here to this toolbar and click the Background button. And from here I have a couple different options to change the background. I can make my background a solid color by choosing from some of the different colors on here, or even finding more colors. I can add a video if I want to be my website's background, or I can choose an image. For this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an image to your website and use that for your background. Once you open the images, you should be directed to a page that looks like this. Your all media will be blank if you have not uploaded any images. To upload an image, all we need to do is click this orange Upload Image button. From here, you will be directed to your folder in which you can open up any image that you would like. So you can click an image and click Open. It will take a second for it to load. Once your image has successfully been uploaded, you can click Done, and you should see it appear in your list of all media. For this particular website, I'm going to choose the skate park background, and from here I will click Change Background. From here you will notice that I now have a different background on my website. Another trick that we can do is we can change the color behind our image for our background. To do this, we just need to go to the background section again, and on our image it should have a little gear that says settings. From there we can click that, and we can change the color behind image. For this website, I'm going to change the color behind my image to black, and then I can close out, and now the color behind my image is black. Another skill that will be important for you in creating your website is being able to add images or text. To do that, we can go over here to the Add button in our toolbar, and we have different options that we can choose. If I want to add text, I can simply click the text button, and I have a variety of options to choose from. Whatever text you would like to be on your site, you can simply click and drag to the desired location. Once it is on here, you can move your text around. You can move your text by waiting for the 4 arrows that are pointing in different directions to come up. From there you can hold down and you're able to drag your text wherever you want it to be located. You can also do the same thing for adding an image. Again, we can go to the Add button and we can click Image, and from here we can click My Image Uploads. If you have any images saved that you want to be on your website, you simply can click them and click Add to Page. If you do not have them currently in here, it's the same process with clicking Upload Images that we used for adding the background. I can click Add to Page, and very similar to what we've been using in Word and different programs like that, you can use these different dots around the image to change the size, and if we want to move, we can hold down with the 4 arrows and move our image to the desired location. Another skill that you will need to know is how to edit text. So if I scroll down here on this first page, I can click on a text box, and from there I can select the text that I want to edit, and I can type in any information that I want to add to my site. And I can change the theme, I can change the font, I can change the size, I can bold, italicize. There's a list of different options that you can use to edit your text here. It's a good idea to occasionally look at your website to see how it will look to viewers that come and see it. To do this, we can go up to the Preview option here, and from here you will notice that we are looking at our site in the view of what a viewer would look at it when they go to our address. You cannot edit it when you are in the preview mode, but it will give you an idea of what your website will look like. To go back to editing, simply click Back to Editor in the top right hand corner. I am briefly going to go back into the preview mode. You will notice when you are in here that you will be able to navigate the site like a user would if they were to go to your web address. On every site, you should have multiple options somewhere to take you to different pages for the site. For this example here, we have our home page, which if we click on, does not do anything to our screen. That's because that is the page that your web address will take you to when someone first enters your site. We also have another page that says subscribe here. When we click on that, it redirects us to a different page. I'm going to go back to Editor and show you how you can add a page to your website. So now that we're back in Editor mode, to add a page to our website, we can simply click this top button, Menus and Pages, on our toolbar. From here you will notice all the different pages our site has. If you would like to rename a page, you can simply click the 4 dots to the right of the page and you can click the rename button. For this page I might name it About. When I'm done renaming it, I can click Done, and that has changed the name of the page to About, and you can also see over here that it has changed the name on the menus bar when users will click on that and where they're directed to About as well. If you would like to add a page, it's very simple. All you need to do is click the Add Page button, and that will add a new page. You can rename the page, so for this page I might name it Store. From here I can click Done, and I want to make sure that I am selected on the page that I want to edit. So if you want to edit a specific page, you need to make sure you are selected on that. From here you can close out, and you will notice that you are taken to the new page that you have added. It will not have anything on it except for the background, and it's up to you to add the content to it. One feature that is really cool with Wix.com is the ability to add in a store. So if I go to my toolbar and click the Add page, I am directed to this menu. If I go down here to the Store option, I can click the Add to Site button, and it will add different products to my website that I am able to edit. Once your store is finished loading, you can click the Get Started button. We can close out of this. You will notice that now you have a variety of different products on your page. To edit those products, we can click on one and we can click the Manage Products button. From here, we have the option to edit the different products on our page. We can remove different products that we have by simply clicking the checkbox button next to the different products that we want to delete. And then from here I can simply click this delete button and it will remove any of the items that I no longer want to be on my website. You can edit existing products by simply clicking on them, and it will take you to a page where you are able to change the price, change the image, add a description, along with a variety of other different options. So for example, I can change the name of my product, the price, I can add in a description. It does give you some more options here at the bottom to change colors, to change the inventory, add a SKU number if you would like. You are not going to be required to do that for your website here, but filling out the image or making sure you have appropriate images in there, a name, a price, and a description will be a requirement. So I'm going to go back to my original page here, and I'm going to remove this shoe from my store. And you will notice I have no more products now. To add a product, you simply can click this New Product button, and we're going to choose a physical product for this. And in here I can type in how much I want my product to cost. I can add a description in here. I can give my product a name. And then I can add images to my page to show my product. And again, this is the same way that we use to change the background to add an image to our site. If you need to get an image, you can simply click Upload Images, and you can upload those. Once you have your image on your All Media page, you can simply click it and click Add to Page, and you will notice that it appears. Once you are done adding an image to your page and you are finished editing your product's description and information, you can click Save in the top right corner, and you will notice your product now appears in your store page or your shop page. You can change the settings on this to manipulate how your products show, what information is shown on here by clicking on the settings button. You can change the layout, the settings, the designs, and you can mess around with that to your liking. The last thing that I would like to show you is how to save your website. So to save your website, if you go up to the Site tab at the top of your page, you can click the Save option, and then from there you'll be directed to edit the name of your website's URL. So you can create a name for your site. To edit the name, you can simply click Edit. It's only going to let you change this last portion in here, so I just named mine Sample Site. Once you have changed it to the desired name, you can click the check box and then click Done, and that will save your website's name. Once you have completely finished your website and you're ready to make it available for the public to see, or for our class's example, once you're ready for it to be graded, all you need to do is click this Publish button in the top right-hand corner, and it will direct you to this page. And then from here, you can just click Done. You're going to want to make sure that you publish your website. Otherwise, when you give out your URL, if you have not published your site, those users that do not have your Wix login credentials to log in, which should be nobody, will be unable to view your site. So make sure you hit that Publish button in the top right-hand corner before you submit your site or give out that URL.